Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I will be sharing to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. I will be providing, of course, the prices, features, product codes, everything you need to know. I would be also linking everything as much on the description box below. You know our practice here, guys. If you like anything so far, kindly ready your phones or laptops, take a screenshot, and for orders, kindly check with your CAs and check online via louisvuitton.com. So guys, what are you waiting for? Happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-going fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, let us start first with the Aerogram Fall Capsule Collection. That would be launching September 12, 2024. First, we have this take-off backpack. Price is 2,800 euro. So this capsule collection, it would feature the material of grain leather. The color of this one is mocha. It has the Louis Vuitton logo in front of the backpack and it would come with silver hardware. Next on the Aerogram collection, we have the Fast Line wearable wallet. So guys, please take note, this is a wearable wallet. It is like a wallet on chain. Price of this one is 1,750 euros. So it would feature the full grain leather, detachable leather strap, and I am loving the detachable bag tag as well. So this is the Louis Vuitton logo in front, very minimal, and I am really responding to this grade colorway. Then we have the Fast Line Messenger. So this one is a little bit bigger than the wearable wallet. As you would also notice, the price is much expensive. That is 2,250 euro. We have SKU here. It would feature the same full grain leather and it would have the very beautiful mocha colorway. It would still have the Louis Vuitton logo in front of the pocket and it would have a detachable canvas crossbody strap. Then we have the take-off pouch. Price of this one is 1,330 euro. We have SKU here. So you could wear this one as a clutch. This is the close-up detail of the bag tag that it would come with. So this clutch would come with a wristlet that you could wear easily for parties, or you could easily wear this one on any occasion. Then we have the next colorway. First, we have the Pilot Sling. The price of this one is 2,770 euro. SKU is provided. The colorway of this one now is navy blue. Still part of the Aerogram Fall Capsule Collection. So this is the Louis Vuitton logo in front of the bum bag. It would come with silver hardware. So you could wear this one as a bum bag. Next, we have a tote bag. For the price of this one, I'll just be sharing once available on our community post. So this is still on the navy blue colorway of the Aerogram Fall Capsule Collections. As you can see, this is the interior. It would come with a detachable bag tag, as we could see here close up. So you could wear this one, of course, as a shoulder bag. So it would not come with a sling bag for you to crossbody this. And then we have couple of pocket organizer from V Collection. First, we have the price of 575 for this SLG. Of course, the color is mocha. It would have this Louis Vuitton logo in front, and as you would notice that it would come with the full grain leather as well. Launching September 12, 2024. Then we have it in navy blue colorway. Pocket organizer, price is 575. Material is the full grain leather, and it would come with the Louis Vuitton logo in front. Alright, so the next collection is the Monogram Eclipse collection, launching September 26, 2024. First, we have the Moncerise Messenger. Price of this one is 1,800 euros. So it would feature the Monogram Eclipse canvas with cowhide leather trims in black. It would come with detachable canvas strap, as we could see here, and I am loving the So Black matte hardware that it comes with. And then we have Getaway Messenger. So price of this one is 1,900 euro. SKUs provided. Same material of this very beautiful Monogram Eclipse canvas. It would feature black cowhide leather trims, and it would has a canvas strap, and it would feature also matte black hardware. Next on the collection, we have the Messenger Voyager. The size of this one is PM. Price is 2,300 euro. It would feature, of course, the Monogram Eclipse canvas with cowhide leather trims. The strap is non-detachable, and it would also have and feature the matte black hardware as for the entire collection. Next, we have the toiletry bag. Price of this one is 720 euro. SKUs provided. So this looks like a DOP kit, as you can see. It would feature the same beautiful Monogram Eclipse canvas. This is the interior. It would feature silver hardware on the outside, and it has a zippered compartment on the interior as well, as seen a while ago. Next, on the collection, we have the blackout exotic leather collection. First, we have the Capucines Mini East-West. Price of this one is 25,000 euro. We have SKU here. So features the material croc exotic leather. It would have the blackout detail on the entirety of the bag, including the color of the hardware, as we can see here. Next on this collection, we have the side trunk size PM. Price of this one is 20,000 euro. SKUs provided. Everything is the color matte black. As you can see, it would come with matte black hardware, fully detachable top handle, and fully detachable leather crossbody strap. So what do you think of this colorway, guys? So next on the collection, so it is the exact opposite. We have the Capucines Mini East-West. Still on the exotic leather collection, we have the price of 25,000 euro. So this one now, the colorway is no, because as you can see, everything is in the optic white colorway, including the hardware, including the strap that it would come with, launching September 1st, 2024. Then we have the Petite Malle. Price of this one is 8,500 euros, so much more affordable than the croc leather, but it is still the exotic leather collection. It would still feature the soul black everything from the hardware, the strap that it would come with, and the material. This one is the lizard skin or exotic skin, launching September 1st. Then we have the Twist West. So this is like the twist bag East-West style. Price of this one is 5,800 euro. We have SKU here. Loving the all-white color of this one, from the LV twist lock, from the material, from the strap that it comes with. What do you think of this one? Although, guys, honestly, I am not a personal fan of ostrich leathers because I'm not a fan of those dots. Then next collection, we have the So White collection. First, we have the Capucines BB, launching August 30th, 2024. Price of this one is 5,900 euro or 6,850 USD. So these are not exotic leather. These are the regular leather of the bag, but just look how beautiful everything is in optic white. Next on the collection, we have the Kuzan BB. Price of this one is 3,200 euro or 4,050 USD, featuring this very beautiful all white leather. It would feature also detachable chain strap and detachable and adjustable leather crossbody strap. And last but not the least, on the So White collection, we have the Go 14 size MM. Price of this one is 6,000 euro or 6,750 USD. We have SKU here. Unfortunately, they are including it on the So White collection, but it has gold details just like with the hardware, and of course the yellow gold chain strap.
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a shopping cart emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing family by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video, guys. I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!